Some things in history just don't fade away. We're back in Ridgway, PA today at the old Buffalo, Rochester, and Pittsburgh Railroad Passenger Station. Located at 200 West Main Street, the station was built in 1905, replacing the original station, which was built in 1882. It serviced passengers of the BRP and later the B&O, which acquired the line in 1932, until 1955 when passenger service ended on the line. The track still carries freights daily for the current operator, the Buffalo and Pittsburgh Railroad. Railroads played a crucial role in the development of northwestern Pennsylvania. Ridgway was a major hub for that traffic, with 4 different railroads providing service to the town at one point. At its peak, 16 passenger and 86 freight trains rolled through Ridgway every day. Hey, if you haven't already, click that subscribe button and help us hit our goal of 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. After the station was shuttered for passengers, it was home to several different businesses and offices. During that time, some modifications to the exterior were made, including removing the roof dormers and roof tiles. Those tiles were sold to a station in New York that was being restored. In 2011, the last of those businesses left the building, and it sat empty for the next 10 years. The current owners acquired the building in December of 2021, and today it is the home of the McKenzie and Williams train station woodworking showroom. It is open by appointment, and their contact information is in the description. The interior remains original and includes not only their products, but photos and memorabilia of the station's first life as a bustling passenger stop. One of the other railroads serving Ridgway was the Philadelphia and Erie. The P&E was acquired by Pennsylvania Railroad in 1907, the same year this station was built. About 12 blocks, half mile as the crow flies, from the BR&P station we just looked at. Passenger service on the PRR continued until 1965, when they too discontinued passenger service on the branch. For several years, the B&P Railroad, the Borough of Ridgway, and a couple of local groups discussed ways to restore the station. With no movement toward a resolution, the borough eventually filed suit against the railroad due to the dilapidated condition of the building. Their response was that rather than fix it, they would tear it down. At this point, a local resident stepped up and pledged $50,000 as initial funding for the project, and a fundraiser to cover materials as the work proceeded was started. After 19 years of arguing over the fate of the building, restoration could get started. The interior of the building hasn't been restored, so we can't get inside to check it out. but the exterior restoration brought the station back to its former glory, and it stands as a welcome to visitors as they enter the town from the north. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this little look at the golden age of railroading here in northwest Pennsylvania. We really do appreciate each of you who take the time to come along on these trips. Until the next time, have a great week.